In this video, we're going to go ahead and talk about using images in Premiere. So there's a couple things that we want to consider when using images in Adobe Premiere. So there's two different file types. So the first one is a JPEG. So a JPEG is an image that is square or rectangular that includes a background. The PNG is an image where the background has been removed from that square and it's just simply the object that was cut out. So what we're going to do is take a look at two of those in this particular clip. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over to my media library. I've already gone File, Import, and I've brought these files in. So the first one I'm going to drop on there is going to be our Hornet Studios logo. And I'm going to make that just a little bigger here. So you remember in previous videos we talked about frame size. So this particular image is smaller than our video. So remember we talked about the video being 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. This image looks like it would be about the size of a maybe 5 by 7 note card. So I'm going to go ahead and make that smaller and place it where I want. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it once, come up to my frame size, and I'm going to reduce my scale, or I can make it bigger. And then I'm going to place this image in the right-hand side, and then just put it down towards the bottom. You heard me mention in previous videos that we can do multiple layers in Adobe Premiere, so we're going to take advantage of that, and we're going to go ahead and come up here and pull in a PNG. So the first thing that you notice about the two file sizes and differences here in the library is the Hornet Studios logo is a solid box, and then you see up here the Hornet logo that's a PNG is the Hornet with a black background. The black background means that there's nothing there to display. So I can go ahead and drop that onto my timeline, make it a little bigger here. By bigger, we just simply mean length that it's on the timeline. And you can see that the Hornet is way bigger, so it's like the size of a piece of poster board. And in the previous videos, you saw us set this to frame size, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick, so that it fits within the frame. And then once again, I'm going to go ahead and reduce my Hornet size, and then I'm going to go ahead and place it onto the screen, and we'll go ahead and put it in the left-hand corner there. Perfect. So as you can see on our timeline here, we have multiple layers building, and we can continue to add more material. So if I wanted to put a title in here or text, I could do that as well. So that is how we manipulate and use images in Adobe Premiere. Remember the two file types. The first one is a JPEG, it's a solid shape, and then the PNG is the image, and then the background has been removed. And the background removal happens outside of Adobe Premiere, and that's done in other softwares.